Hello guys, this is Mohsen AR from Signbox software, and in this tutorial we will cover Hello World program, but it will be in a scene builder. Scene builder is a visual layout tool for JavaFX in which we just drag and drop components like a button, text and so on. You don't need to code yourself to create a button or related components. All properties regarding components are given as a visual. Once you create your GUI for your app, you will have file called the fxml. That file will be integrated with the Java code to create application in a JavaFX. So first of all, we need to download a scene builder for our for integration with the Eclipse. So the link is given below. When you click on the link which is available in the description, you will find this page. In this page we have a JavaFX scene builder 1.1 and in the JavaFX scene builder 2.0. 2.0 is the latest version, so you need to download this latest version by accepting agreement. Click on this and thank you for accepting Oracle BSD. Okay, so after that you have to download scene builder of your related operating system. In my case I have a Mac OS, so I will download this. If you have Windows, Linux or 3264, but then you have to download as per your operating system. So when you click on this, it will download scene builder, and after downloading scene builder, you have to install that scene builder whatever location you will select. But you have to remember that location, just because of we need to integrate that scene builder with our Eclipse. So this is my previous example in which we have already covered in my previous video, and in this now we will integrate scene builder with the Eclipse. As I have already downloaded scene builder in my OS, and this is available here, and I have downloaded and installed it in my operating system. Here we have a scene builder 2.0, and now it's time to integrate it with the Eclipse. So first of all, let me create a project, JavaFX. So this is a JavaFX, or you can type the JavaFX here, and JavaFX project. Next, hello world, this is already available. So what we need to do, hello world again, hello world again. So click on next and next, or you can just click on the finish button. So our application or our project is created, as we have already uh, 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 covered that. I will remove this code which is created by the JavaFX. So I will delete this package and create a new package. Right click on src folder and click on the new, then package, and name the package what you want. In my case, com.signbox dot hello world scene builder. Hello world scene builder. Okay, so this is a package name of my package, and in this package I will create a Java class file. So right click on this package and click on the class, hello world. So we need a main method, yes we need, and click on a finish. So this is the same as we have already done with the previous example, but in this example we will integrate the scene builder. So what we need to do, we need to create another file in this package, which is called the uh, a new fxml document. Click on this document and click on the next button, then name the file. In my case I will name it as a hello world, and there is a root element. There is a drop down for the main layout for your application. So there are other layout like vbox, tile pan, region, hbox, or grid pan. These are the layouts. So but in previous example we have already covered the stack pan, so I will go with the stack pan layout and click on the finish button. Okay, so this is the fxml file created by Eclipse, and close it. Now let's suppose we have not configure or integrate the scene builder with the Eclipse. So when I click on right click on this file XML, and here's the option called open with the scene builder. In this case, if you have not integrated a scene builder with the Eclipse, so it will give you the error that scene builder is not found, or cannot locate the scene builder, something like that. So in my case I have already integrated it, but it will not give me the error. It will open the scene builder. So before opening it, let me show you how you can integrate the scene builder in your Eclipse. If you are a Windows user, then you will find preferences, is I think preferences are available in the Windows menu, in a window menu in the Windows operating system. But in the Mac OS, that preferences is available in the Eclipse menu. Click on this preferences, and this preference wizard box is the same for the Windows or the Mac OS. So you will get this wizard, and in that wizard you have to click on this JavaFX button menu. And when you click on the JavaFX, do not expand this or click on this, or no, just click on the JavaFX, and here you will see the option as scene builder executable. Browse the scene builder location where you have installed your scene builder in your operating system. In my case I have installed it my application folder, so I click on this one and open, and this will integrate the scene builder in Eclipse. So apply and close. Now your scene builder is configured with the Eclipse. Now come to this again, this file, and right click on this file, and now open with the scene builder. When you click on this, now it will open the scene builder for you, just because of you have integrated it with the Eclipse. Now here we have got the scene builder. Basically scene builder is a UI tool in which you can just drag and drop your component. As we have already mentioned, the stack pan, here you can see in the left down hierarchy, and there is a stack pan. Stack pan is a basically layout. When you click on this layout, you will find the layout stack pan. So we have already stack pan. Now what we want to do, uh, we want to add a button or the controls to the stack pan. So this is our stack pan, this is it is showing here. And now drag the button here and drop it here. Now the button is created for you. Now this is a simple button, and there are the properties of the button, layout of the button, and the code of the button. Now open or expand the properties of the button, and in that you will find the button. Let's say name it as a hey click me. So this is the label or the text of the button. Now come to this one. See, now the hey click me, the text has been changed, and now click on this button and you will again get the properties. Now I want to increase the font size of the text to the 24. Okay, you can also change the style and the family of the font. You can also change the color of the font. In my case I will go with this color. Okay, so now our color is changed. There are so many other properties which we will cover later, but these are very basic properties. And now let's move to the our this part, and this is the code part. In this part we need to perform some action on this button. So what we have to do, I need to just name the button, or sorry, name the method in which I need to call any action. Name say hello, and so this is the name of the method, and copy this name. Now I have to create this same name in my Java code. Create the same method with this name in my Java code. So we have created our layout with the simple, just a single button. Now save it, Control S. Now our XML file is saved with the changes, and open it. Double click on this file. Now in this file you will see the automatically generated code by scene builder. There is a stack pane which is a layout, and that we have a children, and in the children we have a button. In the button I have changed the text size to the 24, and there is a say hello action and the text of this button, and this is the color property. Okay, so all are these properties are maintained, or you can say, or they're developed by the scene builder just by dragging and dropping the elements and changing the properties. So this is our program. Sorry, this is our class. Let me public void this one. Okay, now I will just copy this code which we have already covered in our previous video. Just copy this and paste this code to hello world class with the scene builder to see what are the differences in this code and the previous code. So copy this whole class. Okay, no matter, copy this whole class and paste it here. Okay, so now this is our previous code, and what we need to remove, what code we need to remove from this class is just from this to this. We need to remove this code just because of we have already developed this code in our XML file. So all we need to do is to just load this fxml file in our code. So remove this code And now what we have to do, we need to load our fxml file, fxml loader loader object new fxml loader. Okay, and now loader dot set location. Now we need to define a location where our hello world.fxml file is located. So in my case, it is available in the hello world.class dot get hello world, or you can just copy this name and paste it here. And then there's a method called get resource. In the resource, I have to pass the location where it is located. So it is located next to this hello world .java class. So we need to just type hello world dot fxml. Now our file is located here, and we have loaded our fxml file, and stack pen, this one, sp equal to stack pen loader dot load. Now this load method will load our fxml file and return the our root layout. In this case we have a stack pane layout, so it will return the stack pane layout, and I will reference it with the sp. Now our layout will be loaded here, and I will pass this layout to the scene, as we have already done it with the this code, this one. So let me change it to the 600 and the 600 by 600. Okay, and pass the scene to the primary stage and show method. So in the last, what we have to do, we have to define the say hello action method. So public void say hello, say hello to world. So when I click on the this button, and it will print say hello to world on the console. So our example is ready, and I don't want to. Okay, so our this example is ready, and let's execute this by right click on and right click this code, or you can right click the class java.java file here. Okay, run it as a Java application, not run on a server. Just run it as a Java application. Guys, one more thing we need to add in our this in our class is that one but one is ffxml, this annotation, and this we need to add this annotation, and other thing is we need to add a controller class which will be available in the left bottom of uh, hierarchy panel, and we need to define a controller class. In this example I will not add a new controller class, but I will add a default hello world class and make it as a controller. So this is our controller class. Okay, and click on this button, and I have defined a say hello method or on action. When clicking on this button, the say hello method will be called. So I have attached annotation on this hello method, and this annotation will tell the JavaFX that this say hello method is attached with this button. Okay, so when I click let's save it and save it here. Okay, changes are saved. Control save, you can press control save in Windows and command save in the Mac OS. So our program is ready. Now right click on this one and run it as a Java application. So you will find a frame. So this is our frame and output. In this we have defined the hey click me button, and click on this, it will print the say hello to world, and this method is printing on our console, this one. So guys, hope it will this tutorial or this video is easy for you to understand the hello world program with the scene builder. And you guys know the scene builder is a very easy. In the scene builder we can create our UI just by dragging and dropping our controls or elements in the root or in the layout. So in the next videos we will decide what project we will create for our next video. So just subscribe on the hello world button, sorry, just subscribe to the my subscribe just subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you will never miss a video on JavaFX. Thank you guys.